Want to connect Instagram to your Facebook page? In this video, I will guide you on how to do that. The first thing you want to do is open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your Facebook page. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then you want to tap on settings. Tap on the search bar and search for page status. Then tap on this. Now select manage admins. Here you want to check your Facebook access. Now open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Edit Profile. Scroll down and find the option of Page. Tap on that. Tap on Continue. Now tap on Log into Facebook. Tap on Continue. Now select your Facebook page, then tap Connect. Once that is done, your Instagram will be connected to your Facebook page. Now you want to set up some settings. For that, head over to Profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap on the search bar. Search cross posting and tap on that. Now make sure to enable your story and post from here. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.